Hi friends, welcome to Storytime on the Back Porch. I'm Lisa, and as always, I have my furry friends listening. This is Lucy, this is Dixie Lou, and this is Lila. We have a special book today. It's written by a local author. His name is Jim Jacobs, and the pictures are drawn by Annabel Spenceley. This story is about a little girl who really knows how to use her imagination. Do you? Let's see all the things that she thinks of.
After a night full of dreaming under the vast Milky Way, Lindley was ready to begin a most magical day. "Let me tell you something," she said, quite ready to play. Have you heard of Llama Land and its llama corns galore, with mountains of candies you can't find in a store? "I haven't," I said, "but please tell me more." They dance and they prance up high on a ridge, picking lulubeans that taste like lemons, a smidge. "Let's take some home," I said, grabbing a few. Then we filled up a jar, and to her kitchen we flew. "Let me tell you something else," she said, and the whole story grew. "I'm a secret super chef who makes big tasty treats, marvelous inventions that are more than mere sweets." "Really?" I ask. "Sounds wonderful. Let's eat." I bake cakes with bimbleberries 48 layers high and glitter-glazed cream puffs with razzle sauce on the side. "Scrumptious," I reply, leaving a tip with the bill. Then she led me outside for our very next thrill. "Let me tell you something," she said, from the top of the hill. "I'll be the first astronaut to train dogs out in space. Quick, hop on my rocket horse. I'm a real flying ace. Can we bring Lulu?" I ask. "She's got her toy just in case." They'll whirl and they'll twirl as they float in the sky. They'll bark with delight. "Hey, look, we can fly." "Incredible, stupendous, amazing," I swooned, and we were back in our yard by early afternoon. Then she told me something else, gazing up at the moon. "Sometimes I wonder if it all will come true, these wonderful, thunderful things that I do." Then I took Lindley's hand, for the day wasn't through. "Let me tell you something," I said, and we walked, just us two. I hope you never stop dreaming about those things in your heart, for everything we do is a dream at the start. You'll see the whole world like Llama Land and more. You'll dance in the breeze on mountains and shores. You'll taste the sweetness of life and make creations all your own. And you'll do them with love, even after you're grown. You'll find your own way, moving to your own tune. And if it's something you want, you really can reach the moon. But whatever you dream, hope, or do, let me tell you something, Lindley. I'll always love you. Good night and sweet dreams.
Ooh, what was your favorite part of the book? I think I'd like to go to Llama Land and see some llama corns. How about you? Let Me Tell You Something by Jim Jacobs, and the pictures by Annabel Spenceley. We're so glad you joined us today. Have fun using your imagination, and come join us again for another Storytime on the Back Porch.